Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Padma area and garlic line in Kuta, Bali. If you want to know how the situation right there at the moment during the pandemic corona on September 2021, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, now we are in Saudeva Street. Saudeva Street is very famous because this street is like the heart of shopping area in Legian. So that's why in this area is very famous, called by garlic line. You see right side and left side, that is along the way is the shop. And also we have art market here. But you see, all the shop is still closed. It's very sad, isn't it? This is the garlic line. It's look very quiet. Before the pandemic corona, this area is super massive. A lot of people walk around on the sidewalk to do some shopping in this area. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in garlic line or Saudeva Street. And now we will turn left to explore Padma area. Okay guys, now we are in Padma Street. So this is the situation at the moment in Padma Street. Very blue weather, very beautiful, but the street look empty. But you see the right side, there is the hotel. But look very quiet, isn't it? And another hotel right side, the Loca. Yeah, there is some car parking there. That's good. There is some people stay there at the moment. I saw today there is some shop open in Padma. It's better than last month. Okay guys, if I straight down, there is the way to go to the Legian beach. It's around 300 meters from here, but I will turn right to explore Padma Street. And now we are in Padma Street. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people want to know the update situation in Padma area. You see, left side, right side, there is all the shop is closed. It's very sad, isn't it? Padma Utara is very famous because in this area also there is a lot of shop and hotels. But also you can see from the sidewalk, it's really empty. There's no people there. Actually, the tourism destination is already open around a week ago. But this area still look very quiet. You see Ibis Hotel right side? Some car parking, but they cover on. I mean, it's very quiet. Also in the right side, there is one cafe is very famous. Before the pandemic corona, there's a lot of people make photo here. Oh, it is unbelievable. Still very quiet. Just no people around here. No car, no motorbike, no taxi. It's nothing. Just very quiet. Left side is Melasti Hotel. Also look quiet. right side, there's the shop, but all the shop is closed. Oh my god, that's very bad, isn't it? So, this is the central of Padma area. Swiss Bell Hotel right side is already open, but still quiet. Amaris Hotel at the front. Yeah, one car parking there. In this area there is a lot of shop and some hotels. And from here, if you want to go to the beach, it's only around 5 minutes by walk. Not so far from Legian beach. It looks empty, isn't it? Look very quiet. Some shop right side and hotel left side. Oh, there is some car parking there. That's good. Usually in this area there is always busy with the taxi, people waiting for customer. But today is no taxi parking around here. It looks very quiet. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Padma area. And now we keep continue driving to explore Kuta Street. You see left side, there is one big hotel we call Jayakarta Hotel. This hotel usually is very famous for Australian, also for local people. But today they open, but still very quiet. It's very sad, isn't it? And also in the left side, there is one big hotel we call Kumala Pantai. They are open, but also very quiet. And at the front, there is like one small hotel. Is some motorbike parking there. I hope there is someone people stay there at the moment. It's very small street, isn't it? And very quiet. If I turn left at the front, there is very small street. The shortcut to go to Double Six Beach is around 300 meters. Left side, there is the hotel. Right side is the shop. But still very quiet. You see at the front left side, there is one big hotel we call Kumala Hotel. Grand Kumala, but they close. Oh, very sad. Ananta Hotel, left side. Also look quiet. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kuta Street. It is still very quiet, isn't it? Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.